Gold rate Saturday, October 4, 2025. The price of gold in Bangladesh today is 15,215 টাকা 20 পয়সা per gram for 24 ক্যারেট gold, 13,975 টাকা 20 পয়সা per gram for 22 ক্যারেট gold, 11,434 টাকা 30 পয়সা per gram for 18 ক্যারেট gold. The price of gold in India today is 11,940 rupees per gram for 24 karat gold, 10,945 per gram for 22 karat gold, 8,955 per gram for 18 karat gold. The price of gold in Dubai today is 468.25 per gram for 24 karat gold, 433.25 per gram for 22 karat gold, and 356.25 per gram for 18 karat gold. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.